Record. Okay, we're recording now. Hello everyone. So today everything is red in the crypto bubbles. Is this something to worry? The answer is no. It's just a normal process when the Bitcoin goes up and then there's a event announcement in the Federal Reserve that impacts the market, but that's temporarily in the um the crypto reacted to that, and it's basically recovering pretty much very well. Okay. So everything's green actually for the day. So there was Fed announced that it will not be using Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as the reserve. It's not nothing new. It's not a, it did impact the market, but it's just temporary, and then everything is back to green and it's returning now. So what we're going to do is let's talk about investing, about buying the dip. It's alt seasons today. To talk about alt seasons, um, we're talking about the coins that are not Bitcoin. So how do we in actually invest to that? Okay, and how do we do that? How do we understand trading in altcoins, alternative coins which are not Bitcoin? So as you can see in the bubble, BTC is the largest Bitcoins in term of market capitalization. So that's 123% bigger than anyone else. And that's we're, if we're talking about market capitalization, so it's basically one of the biggest in terms of um, dollars, in terms of yeah, market cap. So um, it is important to understand um, how the altcoins perform. So let's talk about let's take an example. So basically, this is what is this bonk? So if we talk about bonk and BTC, it would be easier for bonk to grow than BTC because BTC is already not very cheap. It's the price very high, and the market cap is already big. But for that to grow, it will be very difficult. It would take a lot of energy for that to grow bigger. Um, it can grow, but not as the opportunity for bonk to grow. So let's take a look at how is bonk and BTC performing over the year. So see, bonk outperform almost as big as BTC. But yeah, BTC is still bigger by a few, by a lot. I know it's just the size. Let's talk about the size. That's the performance. So almost the same performance as BTC. So um, maybe we'll take performance instead. Okay, it's performance period. That's all performance. Okay, and that's the size. But how about we talk about other coins? So let's randomly pick one. So this one, I don't know what that's EOS, and EOS is performing outperforms the. Oh, it's still very small because it's new, but in a month's time, and EOS is there. So eh, we don't know. Bitcoin is outperforms Bitcoin for month range in terms of performance, and the bonk is outperforming Bitcoin for a month range. So the idea is you need to invest on something. You just go here on the market cap year, and this the website's crypto bubbles, and pick up the coins that's very small yet, that no one noticed yet, that's probably new, that's probably in here but not in the month, in year and month. So and then invest in that coin, because that's the market capitalization for that is actually very small. Let's take a look at the dot, and for a year it probably, or is that, it's not yet here, so that, yeah, that it just listed, right? So that's assumption. No, it's not fast token. We're talking about that. So that's not yet here. So it's probably just listed. It's here, small. Did not perform well this month, but or this year, but it outperforms Bitcoin by a lot in the past month, by 24. Yeah, by a lot. The performance is a lot bigger than Bitcoin. So that's that. And go back, look at, let's look at some more coins that has a very small market capitalization, and take a look at the performance. So this one, what's this? That's Bret. Okay, I don't know if where's Bret. I don't know. Yeah, but the idea is just for you to pick up those coins which has very small market capitalization, and because it has a bigger, it would be easier for this to expand than BTC. Month performance. So as you can see, those altcoins are performing better for a month's range, or it's all um yeah, it's all red for the week. So we'll be recovering from that. That's not a big issue. And will be green in the next few days. So that's nothing to worry. So you can invest on altcoins. Just select the ones with lower market capitalization from here. So I think that's all for now. That could be my advice. What else? So yeah, that you can choose that. You can choose Kaya, and then I'm learning to memorize this using their logo. This one is, I don't know. That's Phantom. I don't know that one yet, but I think that's performing better in terms of money. Yeah, as compared to Bitcoin. So that's this is called the alt season. Okay. So that's all for now. That's my trading tip for the day. Please use my referral program for coins, Bitcoin, Bybit, and Coinbase. I'll post the link below so you can trade. Thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe to my channel, or click like to click like on my Facebook. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. Again, for the alt season, there's nothing to worry about this deep, buy the deep, and buy altcoins. And choose the one with smaller market cap, so it could gain a lot of money for you. Thank you for watching. And yeah, don't take my advice, take it as a guide, and then just study the coins very carefully, study the crypto, and trade. Okay, and don't worry about the TP, will recover pretty much soon.